In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently automate web scraping and data collection and then summarize your findings using AI. Whether you're conducting research for your studies, tackling a project at work, or just exploring data in your free time, having a reliable process for gathering and analyzing information can save you hours and elevate the quality of your work. To begin, we need to identify the specific websites and online resources that contain the data you're interested in. Consider what you want to achieve with your research. This means understanding the type of data you need and where it can be found. You might have a few websites in mind already, or perhaps you're starting from scratch. Ensuring you have relevant URLs or a list of potential sources at hand will be your first step. If you're not sure yet, spend a bit of time exploring online search engines or databases that cater to your topic of interest. With our sources ready, the next step is setting up a web scraping tool. There are several out there like Beautiful Soup or Scrappy, which are popular among Python users for their flexibility and power. If you're new to coding, don't worry, many user-friendly tools require little to no programming knowledge such as WebHarvey or Octoparse. Whichever tool you choose, ensure it can meet your needs and handle the specific tasks of collecting and organizing your target data. Follow the setup instructions carefully, and don't skip over those introductory tutorials or guides that each provides. These are often packed with invaluable tips to ensure your data collection goes smoothly. Once your web scraper is ready to go, it's time to configure it to extract the exact data you need. Decide what fields or pieces of information are most relevant and specify these in your scraper. This may require you to inspect the HTML of the source pages to accurately identify the elements required for extraction. Don't be afraid to consult online forums or documentation when setting up your scraping protocols, as many helpful community tips exist. After gathering your data, it's now essential to clean up and check your results for any inconsistencies or errors. Look out for duplicate entries or missing information, and adjust your scraper or perform manual corrections where necessary. Cleaning your data effectively sets the stage for accurate analysis and ensures a high level of confidence in your results. The final step is to harness the power of AI to summarize and interpret the data you've collected. Tools like GPT-3 or specific summarization software can provide insights and help encapsulate your findings into manageable summaries. Take advantage of AI's ability to detect patterns and draw conclusions. This is especially useful when handling large volumes of data. By following these steps, you will have efficiently automated the process of web scraping, collected data accurately, and successfully summarized your findings using AI. This workflow not only saves time, but also strengthens the quality of your research, potentially uncovering insights you might otherwise have missed. Get ready to see how much more you can achieve with these powerful tools at your disposal.